For thousands of years, humans observed the cosmos with nothing but their eyes. We humans have always looked up at the stars, but in just over 100 years, we have gone from flight to the moon to Mars and even beyond our solar system. This is a full story of how we achieved escape velocity, not just from Earth's gravity, but from the limits of human imagination. Long before satellites and spaceships, ancient civilizations were the first space observers. Babylonians, over 3000 years ago, kept detailed record of celestial movements. The Greeks, especially Aristarchus, suggest the Earth orbits the Sun century before Copernicus. In India, the ancient text Surya Siddhanta describes the motion of planets with surprising accuracy. But it was not until 1609 that real transformation began, with Galileo Galilei used a telescope to observe the moons of Jupiter, the phases of Venus and sunspots. Then came Isaac Newton, whose law of motion and gravity explained why planets move. He also introduced the idea of orbital velocity, which would later become vital in launching objects into space. But who truly dreamed of space flight? In the late 1800s, Konstantin Tsiolkovsky, a Russian schoolteacher, imagined traveling beyond Earth. He wrote, "Earth is the cradle of humanity, but one cannot live in a cradle forever." He introduced the rocket equation, explaining how gases expelled at high speed could push a craft forward. This was the seed of all modern rocket science. The rocket is an escape velocity. To leave Earth's gravity, you need more than just a rocket. You need to reach a specific speed, escape velocity, 11.2 km per second, about 40,270 km per hour. This means a spacecraft must go fast enough to overcome Earth's gravitational pull, or it will fall back. The 20th century finally gave us the technology to do this. World War II accelerated rocket development. The German V2 rocket, created by Wernher von Braun, was the first man-made object to reach the edge of space. After the war, both America and the Soviet Union brought in rocket scientists to develop long-range missiles and later space launchers. Then in 1957, the USSR shocked the world with Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite. It was just a peeping metal sphere, but it proved Earth could be orbited. In 1961, Yuri Gagarin became the first human in space, orbiting Earth once in Vostok 1. America responded with Project Mercury, then Gemini, and finally Apollo 11, 1969. Neil Armstrong stepped onto the moon, saying, "That is one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind." With that, humanity had not only reached the moon, we had achieved true escape from Earth's gravity. Probes, rovers and robots. After the moon missions, Humans did not go farther, but our machines did. 1977, Voyager 1 and 2 launched. They visited Jupiter, Saturn, Varun and Neptune. Voyager 1 is now 22 plus billion kilometers away, the farthest human-made object. The golden record on board contains Earth sound, greeting and music, a message to the cosmos. In the 1990 and 2000s, Mars exploration took center stage. Pathfinder in 1997 showed we could land on Mars safely. Spirit and Opportunity rovers 2004 found sign that Mars once had water. Curiosity 2012 searched for sign of past life. Perseverance 2021 is currently exploring the Martian surface and collecting samples for future return to Earth. These robotics missions have become our eye and ears on distinct world, uncovering clues to our cosmic origins. The new space age. Today we are witnessing a space revolution, no longer dominated by just government. Space is now being explored by private companies and global collaboration. Key developments: SpaceX Elon Musk created the Falcon 9, the first reusable rocket that lands back on Earth. Blue Origin, Rocket Lab, ISRO and ESA are all expanding space access. NASA's Artemis program plans to return humans to the moon by 2026 and then onto Mars. China has built its own space station, Tiangong, and landed a rover on Mars. Meanwhile, our view of the cosmos has exploded thanks to space telescopes. Hubble Space Telescope gave us jaw-dropping images of distant galaxies. The James Webb Space Telescope JWST, launched in 2021, is peering into the early universe just 300 million years after the Big Bang. We are not just observing space, we are actively designing how to live in it. Humanity's cosmic journey. In just a few generations, we have gone from watching stars from ancient deserts to walking on the moon to launching probes beyond Pluto, and we are only getting started. Projects like SpaceX Starship, Mars habitats, asteroid mining, and even interstellar probes are on the horizon. The deeper we go, the more we understand this truth. Earth is our cradle, but space is our destiny. And achieving escape velocity is not just about breaking gravity, it's about breaking barriers, scientific, political, and even psychological. In this journey through the history of space exploration, inspired you, hit the like button, subscribe for more deep dives into science, tech and human achievement, and drop a emoji in the comment if you believe our greatest adventure still lie ahead. Thanks for watching. Keep dreaming, keep exploring, and never stop reaching for the stars.